How to stabilize a video in VN Editor app. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily stabilize a video here. So the first thing you do is open up your VN Editor app. Now, once your app is open, you're going to have to create a new project by tapping on the new project option. It will ask you what kind of project you want to make, either it's video or music based. If you want to create a video, tap on the first option and then tap on save. From here, you're just going to have to select a video which you want to stabilize. Here I have selected a video that I want to stabilize, so I'm just going to tap on next. And once you have done that, your video will be imported to your timeline. Now just tap on this play option, the video will start playing. It's pretty stable itself, but if you want to stabilize it more, you can play around with the video speed. So what you can do is tap on the video, and then from here at the bottom edit menu, you'll find the speed option. Tap on speed, and you'll find different kind of options like montage, hero time, bullet time. These are all of the pre-made speed and curves. And if you want to create a custom curve, tap on custom, and you can play around with this curve, drop its speed, and then you can stabilize the video by dropping down its speed and then playing it again. Now once you play throughout the video, you can even adjust and speed up the video so that it looks more stable. So where you want to emphasize more, you can speed up the video and slow down as well. It's totally up to you. And this is how you can stabilize your video on the VN editor. You could also try to use these pre-made templates or curves to show it like a montage or a hero time and other options as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.